Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your recent past, your current situation and your immediate future. So let's see what's there for Sagittarians. So let's see what are the messages for Sagittarians. So in your recent past we have the Hangman, the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Wands. In your current situation we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords and the Three of Wands. In your immediate future we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. So Sagittarians, in your recent past there has been something which has come to an end. Basically there was a situation which perhaps was not moving forward since a long time, and now you have decided to put an end to it, or it has come to an end by itself, whatever it was. And but yes, it has definitely given you some sort of a lesson or a clearer perspective, or maybe you yourself have chosen to end it, because with the Hangman, though things were stuck and not moving forward, but yes, you were just thinking, you were thinking of the ways and means, perhaps as to either you have to end it or you have to take it ahead. But yes, whatever this stagnant situation was, ultimately it has come to an end with the Seven of Wands. Now it is that you have, though there was some resistance in ending it, it was perhaps not easy for you, but whatever has ended, it was definitely not easy for you. And now what I feel is that though you want to move ahead, but it is still tough for you to come out of it. Whatever this was, completion was, whatever it was, it isn't easy, though you are trying hard to come out of it. Okay, so you are trying to move ahead or move forward in life, and what I feel is, no matter how tough the situation was in the recent past for you, you are slowly and steadily getting up and moving on the right path, moving on the right track, getting up and sort of moving ahead in life. And with the Knight of Pentacles, it is a slow and steady move, but then yes, with the Ace of Swords, you definitely find clarity, you definitely find a new beginning over here. If it is a person, you're finding a new person then. And with the Three of Wands, it is like you're turning your back to whatever this was. Whatever this heartache was, whatever this agony was, whatever has come to an end, it has taken a toll on you. It wasn't easy, but then yes, you are moving steadily but surely and turning your back to this whatever it was, and definitely moving ahead to this new beginning or this new person with the Ace of Swords, whatever it was. Okay, but what I feel is, you have decided to turn your back, you have decided to make a move, but still I don't think it has, you have actually moved very fast. It is like a very, very slow move if it is, or maybe it is just that you have the sight, okay, now this is the time, and this is the thing which I have to move forward towards. Maybe you have that clarity, okay, that this is the next new person or the next new venture, whatever it is for you. This is the next new thing which I need to, or new person which I need to move towards. So you have the clarity of that new thing, and you can see it in your vision, even if you have not made a huge move towards it. Maybe you're moving in towards it with waiting for some sort of a time or something, but then definitely and surely you are turning your back to whatever this was in the recent past. In your immediate future, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. So definitely you are now here moving. You started moving and balancing your life. You are now I should say, you're taking a break and you are just focusing on yourself. And with the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Swords, you are trying to sort out your life, balance your life. And with the Six of Swords, it is like moving away, leaving the past behind and moving towards peace, moving towards new beginnings. So you are definitely choosing peace and you are moving towards peace. You are so you are sorting your life out. So in the current situation here, you are moving, definitely ready to move, I should say. And here you've started moving with the Six of Swords after balancing whatever needed to be balanced. And this whatever you are moving towards is, it is a balanced situation. It is, you have balanced yourself, you've sorted out your things, whatever needed to be sorted out, you have sorted it out. You have focused on yourself, you are in a stable position now basically, and you are ready to move forward here itself. And here you've started doing that. In the immediate future, definitely, surely, and I should say surely, you are moving towards peace. So let's see what is the message from this deck. This one wants to come out. Yes. With the King of Spades, what I feel is here, what I feel, the vibe which I'm getting here from this card is, it is that this is you are feeling empowered, you have the clarity, you have your defenses up, you are not ready to take any crap, you are not ready to take any shit. So you are feeling empowered over here, and you are feeling very, very good about yourself. It is all about your own well-being. After suffering from whatever it was, you are feeling good about yourself. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels here for Sagittarius. This one wants to come out. Okay, Ace of Abundance. This cherub brings a wonderful news. A windfall of resources comes your way to help you with your plans. These resources may involve money, advice, or assistance in getting things done. It is a good time to start a new venture, change careers, or go into a business for yourself. It may be important contracts to sign. So whatever it is, definitely something new is coming in, and it is going to give you a lot of abundance. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.